This is a little freestyle for y'all motherfuckers. So listen and pay attention. I got that bitch up on that speed. I call that bitch Sonic, and my flow is so ironic, and it's sick like double bonic. Sipping on hypnotic while I'm rolling up exotic, and your bitch is so erotic, and I'm never gonna stop it. She pop it, she drop it, I'ma lock it up. I'm shitting on these niggas like two girls with one cup. But when I see a fine ass bitch, I beat that pussy up. Yup, I don't give a fuck, cause I'ma do this shit getting bucked. Throw them hands up, little nigga, I ain't scared. But you so scared, you shit your underwear. Yeah, I'm on top of this world, and my nose is in the plate, snorting on that white girl. Yeah, you see I do this shit so hot. I'ma fuck a bitch, I put my dick right in the spot, and she dropped. Now she on the motherfucking bed, and that bitch about to give me that beast ass head. Call me Wolverine, cause I am a beast, I made her scream. Yeah, I made that bitch shudder lean, but you see I am about to go hard, never stop. Bad bitches, pussy pop, yeah nigga riot. All my fucking haters, yeah, they need to be quiet. And my fucking weed loud like a fucking lion's roar. Fuck a bad bitch, now the bitch is my whore. But she was a bore, so I let that bitch go. I made that pussy sore. Yeah, my fucking flow scorch like a fire. Yeah, bitch. That was just something that I just had to freestyle. Just had to hit this shit one time. You dig? Like this shit. Show me some support. Matt Lauder, motherfucker, bitch.